First up, we've got the STIHL MS661CM MAGNUM. This beast packs some serious power for cutting wood. It's so strong, it could even cut into your paycheck. When professionals need to fell large trees in large quantities, they reach for the saw they know has the power to get the job done. The MS661C-M, featuring an impressive power-to-weight ratio and STIHL M-tronic engine management technology. The MS661CM chainsaw also delivers less vibration and 20% greater fuel efficiency than the previous model.